Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching and closes instantly. So the first step here that we can do is by going to Microsoft Store and search for Roblox. Then if an update shows up, so just need to click on update. But if the problem persists, let's go and check the Roblox server status. So you just need to go to your internet browser. So from here, for example, I will open my Google Chrome. Then here on the search box, type status.roblox.com. And basically in this page, you will find if the Roblox has a server problem. So you will notice here if some are operational or some are having issue. So if it's a Roblox server problem, so you just need to wait until it fix the problem. Now, if the problem persists, you want to go to the Roblox app. Basically, go to all apps, find the Roblox, right click, and then we're going to click on this one, more, and then click on app settings. Now, you'll go here on this page. So basically, you just need to go here on reset. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair. So the app's data won't be affected. So you can click on repair button. Now, if this app still isn't working right, try to reset it. So the app's data will be deleted. So you just need to click on this reset button. Now, if the problem persists, you want to go on the next step, which is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So we're going to uninstall your Roblox app. And then after you uninstall, go back to the Microsoft Store and search for Roblox, and basically you just need to reinstall this app. Now if the problem persists, we want to go on the last step, which is to uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store. So basically, if you want to uninstall the Microsoft Store, open the Windows PowerShell. Make sure to run this as administrator. So right from here, and then basically we will just need to type here some command prompt. So I will just paste some command prompt on the description. So to remove Microsoft Store, you just need to copy this command prompt right here and paste on PowerShell. And then after that, restart your PC. And after you restarting your PC, try to reinstall it by pasting this command prompt. Once you've done, it should be fixed the problem on your Roblox. So that's all. That's how you basically fix Roblox not launching and closes instantly. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.